Okay, so in this video, I'll show you how to create your first project and a bit more about the projects list. So in the left-hand menu, you can see all the modules listed over here. Just click on the projects tab here and go to the project list. Um, Let them load and you'll see all the projects listed over here that you're working on and the sub-projects as well. So with each project, you'll see a status, a progress, and who the project is shared with here, um, and all the details of the project. But let's go ahead and create your first project. So click this button, and you'll get a list of templates over here that you can choose to begin your project. And each template has a separate settings on it. You can so these are the library of this templates, but you can create your own templates as well, and this will just be for yourself. You can see I've created two projects here, two templates over here. Okay, so let's go to let's create a simple project. So let's click here, simple project, and you'll see each task will have four statuses: pending, in progress, done, archived. There are no custom fields at the moment, no sub projects, and these are all the list types that you'll get, the viewing types that you'll get with this project. So let's choose this project, use this template, and now the sharing option. So let's call this my first project. If I can get it right. So let's create this as my first project, and you'll see that in the sharing option, you have two options: groups and client portals. So the groups are to do with the internal portal here. So let's share this with everyone, and let's not share it with client portal at the moment. So yep, so my first project, and let's hit create, and you'll see your first project created over here. No task at the moment. And because I have created this project, that's why I am the admin of this project. I get this tab, and where I can do a lot of things here. You can do other options here, and also filters and all this stuff. So you can see I've created my first project, and I can go back to the list of the projects from this button, or search projects as well. Yeah, so let's create your first task here. So my first task, click enter, and your first task is created, and you can see the project details over here. So in the next video, I'll show you about the project details and more about this tab. Um, but to finish off, if we click home over here, then we can go back to the list of projects. All right, I'll catch you in the next video.